I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup, and I thought, let me just go ahead and apply this new body product, Face and Body Bronzing Balm from Sol. They're the sister company, so the body and the bronzing products from ColourPop. So I said, let me go ahead and do that on camera. I think that will help you out. I did shoot some additional footage with different brushes and so forth, so I just want to lay everything out in this video and let you know my overall thoughts. The shade I picked out is in Deep. It does come in 7 shades. It is for $15. I'm going to be looking over here at my notes. This product is probably going to be, as reviews are coming out, I see this product being compared a lot to the Chanel. Their face, I think it was a body bronzer as well. I don't have it. I'm gonna mix a little bit of my glow because it wouldn't be a Stephanie video without a little bit of mix-in glow. I don't have the Chanel product. It wasn't something I was interested in. It only comes in 1 shade. So I'm sure as reviews are coming out, men and women that fit within that skin tone category for Chanel, I'm sure that they'll probably go ahead and review it and compare. So this is just going to be the overall product itself. Now I also wanted to use foundation in this video because in the video clips that I'm also inserting, I had 0 foundation on. It was just my regular sunscreen skincare products. I'm still trying to grasp what I can think of when I think of the smell. It is a subtle scent. To me, it doesn't smell like perfume. It doesn't smell like coconut, which the first thing I was like, thank you. It doesn't have a strong coconut smell. It doesn't smell like the beach. It doesn't smell like vacation. I don't know why I think of passion fruit, but that's what I think of. Something within the Starburst candy family. Put it that way. That is what I would say is this smell. But it is not an overpowering scent. It is not a scent that lingers, because I would be like, oof, if it lingered. So it's not an unpleasant smell. But at least I can tell you that there is a scent to it. It is a subtle scent. When I'm just holding it like right here from my nose, I mean, I just opened it up too. I can smell it as you get used to it. In the clips that I'm showing here, the first application method, I am using the stipple brush, which I tend to use a lot when it comes to applying some creams. I do like this one from e.l.f. It is the Airbrush Stipple. Because of the design of the dense brush and the extra hairs, it allows it to pick up the cream and easily disperse it on the skin. For the body, what I'm thinking about, you know, when I show you in the clips about on the body, I like something like this. This is from Tarte. There are multiple brushes from various price points and brands that you can use that look like this, where you can just dab it into the product or swirl it and then start buffing it on. So this brush was very easy to buff on the body, like I'm going to show you. This is also very easy to buff and blend on the skin. It's just something like this. The brand is selling their own body brush here, and I actually forgot what it looked like. So I usually don't tend to buy whatever is the brush or whatnot that the brand is selling. I know I already have the tools at home that I would feel comfortable using, so you probably already have something as well. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to start right here in this cheek area. And why I start here too, I just will go ahead and give you that little tip. If you are my skin tone or deeper, just with darker skin in general, we do not naturally flush in the sense where you're going to see it on our skin. So that is what bronzer helps appear, that natural flush look on our skin. You probably have heard the term the E shape, where you go, you know, but I want to just give you that tip too. Depending on your skin tone, make sure you put it in the area where you would put your blush. That way you have that natural flush. It makes your blush just pop out more into your skin. So see, just look. Was that not easy? Was that not easy? I'm just gonna go in like that, pick up a little bit more, and then go down here and get my hair out the way. And bronze up in this area. I'm gonna get a little bit more here, start going right here on this cheek area. And I even said this to myself the other day when I was using it. I can just use this as a blush and be done. Look at that. I was expecting to see a stronger glitter, like shimmer, to be honest, from this formula, and it surprised me. I took some footage of it in the light when it like first came. I'm shining my light from the phone on it, and still it's just that subtle glow that you can see. I'm just doing a tiny bit now here for this nose area, just a little bit. I'm not contouring, I'm not going in shaping and shifting and doing all kind of stuff. I am really using it as an all over product, really focusing in the glow areas. I mean, look at that. See how you have that dew effect right here? It's not a strong radiant dew, but it is dewy, which is what I like. And I think it just looks great. It's a natural appearance on the skin that you can build up. I think they did a great job on this formula at a wonderful price point of $15. Really quick and easy video. I just wanted to come show you, give you a couple application techniques and tips and so forth, and let you know I like it. And I would recommend the product if you're in the market for that. So thank you for stopping by and watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Leave any comments or questions that you might have for me down in the info box. I'll get right back to you. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful evening. And as always, I'm going to see you in the next video. So I'm going to go finish my makeup. I got to put some eyeshadow on the bottom and lip gloss, and that's it. Call it a day. All right, take care. Bye.